Good afternoon. My name is Diego Alejandro Abad Diaz, and I'm going to talk about my last weekend, starting from Monday to Sunday. I get up at 8 in the morning to prepare and eat breakfast. After that, I rest and at 9 in the morning I take a shower and get dressed for my activities. At 9:30 in the morning I sit down at my desk and start working on my university assignments and other academic work, either by consulting or researching unfamiliar concepts to generate ideas. I usually work until noon, when I take my grandfather lunch and I have a quick meal in the dining room. After resting and 1 in the afternoon, I do afternoon I take a nap until 2:30 in the afternoon. I do the chores or errands that need to be done at home, and during that time I buy the things we need, whether it's food or other necessities. A ver, at 3:30 in the afternoon I study for my degree and other subjects a hobby. In addition to keeping up with assignments, however, on Thursday and Fridays. Espérate un momentico. At 5:30, after that, at 5:30, I take dinner to my grandfather, and then I go eat my own dinner and wait until 6:30 to pick up my sister. From 7 p.m. to 8 to 9 at night, I go out to talk with some members of my family, but on weekends I go out with them to eat or have fun. All that, after that, at at 10:30 at night I go to sleep. Thank you very much.